right. Gohan and the others should be okay now.
Boo still isn't budging.
Guess we'd better keep a close eye on him then. Yeah! How's Boo?
As of yet, there's been no movement.
Hey! Something's happening to Boo. His energy. It's just as big as it was before.
It's actually kind of creepy.
Wait a sec, Vegeta. Is it just me, or is his energy increasing?
It's not possible. He's reverting back.
Reverting back? What do you mean?
The Majin Boo that Bibbidi created was evil incarnate, something even he himself couldn't control. It wasn't until the mild-mannered Grand Supreme Kai was absorbed that Bibbidi could finally control him.
So, what you're saying is, this little Boo now is even more of a handful than what we've been dealing with?
Yes. Absorbing others had a dampening effect on him, but now his evil is unrestrained. He's lost all self-control and is again pure evil.
What is that? What's he doing? Whoa, unbelievable! That was close. He tried to blow the whole planet to pieces.
Dang that little bastard! Hey, Boo! Go ahead and destroy the planet if you want! But you'll have to go through us first!
There's no way we can knock that thing back! The others! Vegeta, over here! I'm gonna get us all out of here! Yeah! Grab onto me! It's no use. We're not gonna make it. I can't use instant transmission fast enough.
Hey!
Well done! You made it!
Yeah, we did. But Gohan and the others, and Earth,
Kakarot, what the hell have you done? Why did you bring these fools instead?
Well, what about Earth?
It's gone, I'm afraid. Nothing but space debris now.
Earth's gone? What are you talking about? We're standing on it. Wait, yeah! I know what's going on. This is all a dream. Yeah, it's just a dream. Damn it, Kakarot. Gohan and the others are all dead because you decided to save this dumbass instead. And now Earth and everyone on it can't be brought back. The Dragon Balls, the only safety net we had, are gone.
What? Dragon Balls? Why in the world were there Dragon Balls on Earth?
Those are forbidden, powerful objects
Entrusted to only the Namekians. No one else should possess them.
That's right! If we head to New Namek, the new Grand Elder should be able to give us access to the new Dragon Balls there! We can do it! We can bring back Earth and all those killed by Boo!
With planet Namek back, I should be able to teleport between here and other planets with no problem.
All right, now we're talking.
Take a look! Majin Boo's returning to his original shape!
Here, give your Patara to Goku and Vegeta. They should be able to beat him if they fuse again.
Right.
Nah, we don't need those.
Huh?
Yeah. That type of fusion technique really isn't for us. I want to fight him on my own anyway. Besides, he's not relying on anyone else's power anymore.
That's what I like to hear, Kakarot. You're finally talking like a Saiyan. How the hell did he get here?
Whoa. I can't believe this. He saw my instant transmission before and copied it.
Well, whatever. That saves us some trouble. We'll just end this here then.
Get out of here. Find some faraway planet and take everyone with you.
Okay.
Right then. I guess we don't have much of a choice. Pay no mind to this world of ours. Go all out and show that monster what for.
Good luck. Oh no! I forgot to bring that Satan fellow with us.
Forget about him for now.
All right,
Who's going first?
let's find out. Rock, paper, scissors! Yes, I win! Woohoo!
At least I'll finally be able to see this Super Saiyan 3 of yours.
Yeah! Let's do this, Boo! Hmm? Hey! He's sleeping! Are you little? Are you messing with me?
The final battle. The one that will decide the fate of the universe. Here goes. something else. I think I finally figured it out. I think I know why a genius like me can't keep up with you. I thought it was because you had people you wanted to protect. It was as if having a strong desire to save others gave you some mysterious power. And maybe it does in some way. I too have those I care about now. But you were always different. You don't fight to win. You fight to continue pushing yourself past your own limits. That's why you never took the lives of your opponents. You even had the opportunity to kill me. But you didn't. You didn't. Damn you, Kakarotto. I can't believe a battle-loving, kind-hearted saint like you even exists.
You're in trouble now, Boo. Here comes my full power Kamehameha!
Only you can do this. You are number one.
Give me a break already. This guy never gets tired, does he?
Kakarotto, forget about me and just finish him off.
Yeah, I'm trying, but I can't. I'm gonna need another minute to charge up my energy if I'm gonna beat him.
1 minute, huh? I'll hold him off for 1 minute. You hurry up and charge your power.
I'm gonna need that whole minute, you know.
Just hurry up and do it!
Yeah, I got it.
Supersized Spirit Bomb.
Are you sure, though? You're already dead. You do know what happens when a dead person dies again, don't you? They disappear. From this world and other world. You cease to exist. Don't die on me, Vegeta.
Mind your own business. All right, let's go!
still don't have enough energy. Need more to beat Boo.
Boo! I can no longer stand idly by and let this continue. The great Mr. Satan, world's martial arts champion, will put you in your place. Yeah, that's the stuff. It's a shame this isn't real, but man, I nailed it. I know it's a dream, but it sure doesn't feel like one. Huh? Hey, it's Boo!
What in the world is going on?
The larger Majin Boo developed a strong friendship with Mr. Satan. That Boo must have objected to harming Mr. Satan and prevented the attack.
Well, that explains why he spit him out then. But to be honest, losing that Satan fellow in this fight wouldn't really change things.
Indeed.
Who hate you? You bully Satan!
Boo! Kakarotto! Now's your chance! Well, do you have enough energy now or what?
No, come on! I'm actually losing power. No way.
You complete idiot! You were supposed to restore your energy, not revert back to normal!
Man, this sucks. This was a lot easier back when I was dead. Guess it's safe to say Super Saiyan 3 really drains all your strength when you're alive. It looks like we're completely screwed. There's nothing else I can do here.
Supreme Kais, Dende, you can see what's going on here, can't you? Can you hear me? If you can, then answer me already!
What's that now? Oh, yes, we can hear you.
Good! I need you to go to the new planet Namek immediately and gather the Dragon Balls!
But why do you...
Quit your stammering and just do it! We don't have much time!
Okay!
Vegeta, what are you up to? It's a little early for us to use the Dragon Balls.
Kakarot, how many times have you saved Earth and its people?
Why are you asking me that? Quite a few times, I guess.
I think it's about time the people of Earth save themselves for once.
We've been waiting for you, Dende.
Huh?
Oh my, you grace us with your presence, Supreme Kai.
Everyone!
We are fully aware of the situation. Come, let us hurry.
Thank you! Vegeta, we've collected all 7 of the Dragon Balls, just like you asked!
Good. Now hurry up and summon the Namekian Dragon! I've got 2 wishes for you to make. First, ask to have the Earth return to the way it was. Then, ask to bring back everybody that's died since the day of the World Tournament, Excluding, of course, anyone that's evil. Those are the 2 wishes.
Should I make the wishes now? What about the 3rd wish?
The 3rd wish doesn't matter. You've got to hurry.
Vegeta, about that 2nd wish. It'd probably be easier to just bring back everyone killed by Boo, don't you think?
If we ask for that, Babidi and Dabura will be brought back too. Plus, all the people I killed at the World Tournament Arena wouldn't be brought back.
Huh? Oh yeah. Man, you really thought this through.
We have a problem. I just remembered that Porunga can only bring back 1 person from the dead at a time.
That is no longer a concern. After the incident with Frieza, I took the liberty of powering up Porunga's wish-granting abilities.
Really? So we can bring back as many people as we want? Never mind, everything's okay!
Good. Now, make the wishes.
Kakaroto Porunga Pupirito Paro!
Now, state your wishes. I shall grant any 3 wishes that you desire.
Kakaroto Porunga Pupirito Paro! A faraway planet called Earth was recently destroyed. Please bring it back.
Okay, consider it done. Your first wish has been granted.
Yeah!
Now then, state your second wish.
How should I phrase this? Pipotara, Sariman Popo, Toterapo! Please bring back all those killed after the wizard Babidi arrived on Earth. Oh, except anyone evil.
Understood. However, it will take some time. That is a lot of people to revive.
Right.
What's wrong, Dende? Have you made the wishes yet?
Hey now, quit your yammering, would you? This Porunga fellow is doing what he can.
Thank you for your patience. Your second wish has been granted.
Vegeta, we did it! Everyone should be back now!
Look! Your halo's gone, Vegeta! You're alive now! That's great. I guess that means you're not a bad guy after all.
What the?
Wait a sec. Wasn't I killed by Boo? Huh?
What's going on? Huh?
Oh, I think I get it now. You're thinking of having Gohan and Gotenks join us in the fight.
No. You're going to prepare that attack of yours. The Spirit Bomb.
A spirit bomb? Really? You're kidding me, right? Boo's totally not gonna let me gather energy little by little from people on Earth.
Didn't I tell you that the people of Earth need to save themselves for once? It's not going to be little by little. They're going to give every ounce of energy they've got. Hey, Supreme Kai, listen up! Get me in touch with the people of Earth, right away!
Leave that to me. That's my specialty.
Who's that?
I know that voice. It's King Kai.
Bingo! You know, Vegeta, I'm quite touched you thought of my technique. Now then, speak! Not just the Earth, but the entire universe is listening.
Good, thanks. People of Earth, listen here! I'm communicating with you from a faraway place. Every one of you was killed by Majin Boo, but we used a strange power to bring you all back to life. Everything should be back to the way it was before. And no, this is not some kind of dream you're having. As I speak, right at this very second, there's a warrior here fighting Majin Boo on your behalf. But the truth of the matter is, he's run out of energy and can't fight anymore. That's why we need your help. Raise your hands into the air. We're going to use your energy to defeat Majin Boo. You'll feel tired afterward, but no more tired than after a good workout. Now, raise your hands! All right, Kakarotto, begin.
You bet. Everyone, lend me as much of your energy as you can. Please!
He's forming a spirit bomb.
You got it, Dad!
Huh. That didn't sound like Vegeta in the slightest.
You heard the man! Hands up! Hands up!
Huh?
Whoa! Here it is! This thing's huge! I can feel energy from Gohan and the others!
It's still not enough. Why?
Watch out, everyone! Sounds like your energy could really be drained! That sounds painful! It's gotta be a trap! Yeah, I'm not gonna listen to some mysterious voice in the sky.
I bet it's that Bobbity guy trying to trick us again!
Damn those bastards! Not a single one of them are listening to a word I said!
Hey, where are these voices coming from? Boo!
Damn, things are looking grim. The fat one's hanging on by only a thread.
What are you doing? Cut it out! Stop it right now!
Damn it! He spotted it! Kakarot! I'm going to try and buy us some more time! You try and convince the imbeciles of Earth to give you more energy! Hurry, Kakarot!
Buy some time? Wait a second, you just came back to life! There's no way you have enough energy to fight!
Is it done yet, Kakarotto?
People of Earth! I beg you! Please, lend me your energy! We need everyone's help!
Is it working?
Raise your hands into the air! Hurry!
Impossible! Believe it! I'm at my limit
Father! This voice!
Right. I finally know who this voice belongs to. It belongs to Goku. He and the others are fighting Majin Boo. Hurry, Upa! Raise your hands to the heavens!
I get it. So that's who it is. It's been a while since I've heard that voice.
It's Goku. It's Goku, Suno.
Right! I knew it was him!
It's no good! I've only received a tiny bit more! What's going on? Why aren't people lending me their energy? Everyone! Hurry up! I thought you guys cared about Earth! How about the universe? Come on, you morons!
What? Did he call us morons? Wow, he's got some nerve, doesn't he?
You know what? Just ignore him. I bet all of this is just a lie. That Majin Boo probably isn't real either. Yeah, we're all probably just being tricked by some hypnotist.
That's enough! All of you! Why the hell won't you cooperate? Do you intend to ignore a request from the great Mr. Satan as well?
What? Mr. Satan?
Huh? What's he doing there?
It's really him! It's Mr. Satan! Wait! So it's Mr. Satan who's fighting Majin Boo right now?
Yeah, that's right! I am going to pulverize Majin Boo, but I need everyone's help to do it! Sorry, I figured they wouldn't believe me unless I said I was fighting him. The important thing is that Boo's defeated, right?
Here, Dad.
Go, Dad, go!
Isn't it done yet? What's taking so long?
Come on, Vegeta! Hang in there! It's no good! It's done! Get out of the way, Vegeta! You're gonna get caught in the blast!
Forget about me, you idiot! Just throw the damn thing already!
Hang in there, Vegeta. You too, Chubby Boo. Mr. Satan and everyone went through a lot to get this. I'm not gonna let it go to waste. Here goes! I'm gonna lose the energy. I'm gonna need to hit him hard. That'll open him up so I can hit him with the spirit bomb. It's my turn now! Oh, it's out of this world! I haven't fought anyone this tough before. Everyone's done for, and I won't let that happen! No! Huh? Vegeta's gone.
Do it! Hurry up and blow this guy to pieces!
Way to go, Mr. Satan! You know, I was wrong about you. You really are a hero!
One thing. Kakarot's too weak to make it work.
What?
Now what are we supposed to do?
How much longer must I wait? Do you not have a third wish?
That's right! Porunga! Can you restore the energy of someone named Goku?
I can.
That's great! Please do it now! Burrito Paro!
It's no good!
Goku! I used the final wish to restore your energy! Are you back to full power yet?
Yeah, I sure am! Dragon Balls! You're pretty amazing. And you fought this hard all on your own. I hope you're reborn as someone good this time. I want to fight you one-on-one again. I'll be waiting. And I'm gonna keep getting stronger. Later.
Goku! Kakarotto!
Dad!
Goku!
Phew! It's finally over.
Jeez, it's about damn time. What the hell is he smiling about? He never ceases to piss me off.
Phew!
Did you do it? You did it, right? People of Earth, this is the World Martial Arts Champion, Mr. Satan! Thanks to your efforts, the terrifying Majin Boo has finally been defeated! You can rest easy now. His reign of terror has come to an end.
Go and heal Vegeta first. He's in a lot worse shape than me.
Oh, right!
Hey, where are you going there, boy? Huh? Hey, it's Boo! What? He's still alive! Oh, please, you gotta heal him! You can do that, right? With that weird power of yours?
Don't be ridiculous, you moron! Get out of the way! I'm going to finish him off!
Stop! No! Don't kill him! He's not a bad guy! I swear! Look, please! I'm begging you! I promise I'll keep an eye on him!
Keep an eye on him? Don't make me laugh! What can a powerless fool like you do?
Go ahead and heal Boo, Dende.
What? Are you out of your mind?
Come on, Vegeta. It'll be fine. If it weren't for these two here, all of us would be dead. Isn't that right?
Fine. Do whatever you want. I don't give a damn.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. Once Boo's healed, let's head back to Earth. I'm dying for a bite to eat and a good long nap.
And so Goku and the others finally return to Earth.
Hey, everyone! Yo!
It was a long overdue reunion with friends and family. With one less than welcome addition.
Sorry for being away for so long, everybody. That old Supreme Kai gave his life to me so I could come back.
So you mean we can finally be a family again? All four of us? You, me, Gohan, and Goten?
Yep, let's head back to Mount Paozu. I've really been craving your cooking, Chi-Chi.
In this world, there exist 7 mystical wish-granting orbs known as the Dragon Balls. Goku and his friends' adventures surrounding these magical orbs are far, far from over. Although there are many more surprises and hardships that lie in store for them, they'll take each one head-on. Don't worry, the Earth will always be safe as long as Goku and his friends are around.
Fly away. Got
Vegeta, Frieza, Cell, and Boo. I fought all types of fighters in my time. But who knows what other crazy strong guys are still out there? I can't wait to find out. Okay, now to get stronger than ever before.
Hey!
Yeah!
Later!
Hi there!
Yo!
Hey!
Huh?
Bye-bye! Hello. Goodbye. Hey!
Yep, there's no place like home.
Do what you can. Do what you can.
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
All right, I'll fight you.
Down already?
Hey! Here I go! Hi.
Come on!
What?
Yeah!
Thank you very much.
Goodbye!
This looks
Mighty tasty. This should do it. Ha! I bet Boo will love this. This one might be tough to take down. This'll be a cinch. It's up to me to protect the city. This is incredible. It's giving off a ton of energy. I wonder if Fidel's around. Yeah!
Huh? Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Time to dust that dino. This'll be a cinch.
All right, I'll fight you. fight you!
Done already?
Okay, the reptile's been laid to rest. Better tell Mr. Satan. This'll be a cinch.
Hey! Oh, wow! Hey! Oh, wow!
Yeah.
Oh, come on! Oh.
Ah.
All right.
Yep.
That ended well. Mr. Satan got his grit back, and Videl, her old dad.
Nice.
wonder if Master Roshi's still the same old self. This'll be a cinch. Huh. A sunken ship. It looks like the ship has been there a while. Wow, you don't see this kind of fish every day. This'll be a cinch. Whoa. Wonder if it's safe to go under it. This'll be a cinch.
Not gonna go easy!
All right, let's see if I've still got it. Here I go! Here I go! Let me
had you figured wrong, Mr. Satan.
I really am a hero. I really am.
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
All right! This has got to be some tasty meat! Try this! Whoa! This one seems pretty tough. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
I'm not gonna let you win.
Yeah, that seems alright.
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now.
Alright, let's do this! Try this! Try this! Here goes! Get out!
Worthless.
Was there something I was supposed to do at Bulma's?
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. Whoa! This one seems pretty tough. Mike, I'm pumped up and ready to go!
Lend me your energy!
I hope Upa and his dad are doing all right. We got
Hello.
found some tape. We got a keeper. Found some tasty looking. Yo! Huh? Huh?
What the?
Hello?
Right.
Huh? Huh? Thank you. Huh? Thank you. All right. Found some tasty looking food. We got a keeper.
I shall grant you any wish. State your wish.
Man, I'm low on energy.
It's time to get something to eat, Kakarotto.
Hello. Yes. Indeed. So, are you ready to begin your training?
I'm more than willing to fight you. You should be honored.
How could I lose like this?
Okay. Right. Actually...
Yo!
What do you think?
What is it?
Hey!
No!
Huh?
Hey!
Huh? Huh?
You!
Huh?
Very well.
All right, here we go.
Oh ho ho! Thanks. You!